Good morning, students. We have learned physics chapter 2 physical quantities and measurement. We have learned more topics. Such topics are remaining. These topics are time, temperature, and area. First of all, we define what is time. What is time? The interval between the instant between two events is known as time. The interval between any two instants is known as time. The SI unit of time is second. SI unit of time is second. What do you mean by 1 second? If 1 by 86,400 part of solar mean day is known as 1 second. Understand, students? Our next topic is temperature. What do you mean by temperature? The hotness or coldness of a body. The hotness or coldness of a body is known as its temperature. The hotness or coldness of a body is known as its temperature. Means that if a person temperature is 37 degrees Celsius and there is a liquid such as water which temperature is 4 degrees Celsius, then it is known as normal temperature, it is cold temperature. So the hotness and coldness of a body is known as its temperature. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Understand, students? Our next topic is thermometer. What do you mean by thermometer? The instrument, the device that measures temperature is known as thermometer. The instrument or the device which measures temperature is known as thermometer. There are two types of thermometer: clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer is used by doctors. It is used in clinic because it measures our body temperature. Laboratory thermometer is used in lab because it works in lab with the help of very chemical compounds. What is the temperature of this compound, this chemical? So it's used in lab. Or the clinical thermometer is used by doctors to measure temperature of human body, animals, etc. Understand? First of all, we define what do we mean by clinical thermometer. A clinical thermometer is a thermometer which ranges about 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. The normal body temperature of a human is 37 degrees Celsius or 98 degrees Fahrenheit. Understand? Clinical thermometer is used by doctors to measure the temperature of human body or animals. Laboratory thermometer is a thermometer which is used in lab. The ranges of laboratory thermometer is minus 20 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Understand, students? Laboratory thermometer is used in lab. Its range is minus 20 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Understand? Our next topic is area. What do you mean by area? What do you mean by area? The space or the region occupied by two-dimensional object is known as its area. Here, rectangle is two-dimensional space object shape. It has length and breadth. Understand? The space occupied by rectangle is known as its area. We get the formula of area by different regular surface, by very different mathematical formula of different regular shapes. But we have also find the area of such irregular shape. First we find the area of regular shape. Understand? The area of rectangle is length into breadth. The area of a square is side into side. The area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. We know that area in each cases, area is measured in length into length. It is also length into length, also length into length. So the SI unit of length is meter, and meter into meter equals to meter square. So the SI unit of area is meter square. Understand, students? We have to find the area of regular shapes by some mathematical formula. We have to also find the area of such irregular shape by graphical method. What do you mean graphical method? If there is a leaf, we find the area of leaf in your book. We have to find the area of leaf. We use a graph paper. And put the leaf at the graph paper. Area of irregular shape. It is known as irregular shape. Understand, students? This is a graph paper. We have to find the area of irregular shape. We put the leaf at the graph paper and count the whole graph. Understand? Such are the parts of graph. We taken as the parts of graph as a whole number. Such we count all the square graphs, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and whole part means 1, 6. So one square graph is mean as 1 millimeter square. So there are 6 square graphs. So the area of this leaf is 6 millimeter square. Understand, students? So we have finished the topic, chapter number 2. If you have any problem, then you ask me. Understand, students? We have finished all the topics by very clearly, very nicely. So you have any problem, then you ask me. Okay, bye.